Jeeptoberfest.
Welcome to Jeeptoberfest. Welcome to Jeeptoberfest.
Welcome to Jeeptoberfest.
Hey everybody, I want to invite you to come out to our Jeeptoberfest event. It is a massive event. We've been spending all year long building these amazing courses, and all the money that we raise supports several different local charities. I can't wait to see you here at Jeeptoberfest.
We are coming up on Jeeptoberfest 2024, and the trails are shaping up. So we're gonna go out, take a look at the progress, and show you what you've got to look forward to this year.
One, low, lockers. This is a big day. Are y'all registered for Jeeptoberfest already?
Yes.
Awesome. How soon did you register?
Probably. We didn't get on the, we weren't on the ball. Right.
Well, you're looking forward to it.
Yes, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Awesome.
Welcome to Jeeptoberfest.
Balance it. Nope.
Welcome to Jeeptoberfest!
What's the trick to that obstacle so you don't fall off?
Don't stop at the back.
Don't stop at the back?
Don't stop at the back. Keep
And-
going. Once you're up, go.
And so just go once you're up.
Go.
On these rails here, you got only one on that side, but double on that side. That will be the passenger side. So to do this, you're gonna have to hang your head out the window and keep your wheel right on that beam. You don't want to slip off. Driver, get it a little bit closer to me. And then as you come off, you're gonna have to turn passenger a little bit because of where this pipe is. Not too much because you don't want your back end falling off. Straighten her out.
Look at that little one.
So what do you think is for the trails this year?
It's gonna be better than last year.
Going to be better than last year, and there's all that stuff over there, including that hill.
I think there's some over there too.
It's a bit wet and a bit muddy. If that's the case for the actual event, what is your recommendation if you start to slide sideways?
Stop.
Stop, because
Stop,
what's going to
back
happen?
up. You're going to come off and roll your Jeep.
Be flopped over.
That's how you do it right there. There you go.
I don't need anybody rolling for video's sake.
Hey, good one.
But we'll get you stuck before it's over.
We need people to go through that mud pit over there.
Somebody has to go through the mud pit.
So today, they're kind of testing stuff with 2 doors, 4 doors, gladiators, just to see what's going on.
It's going to probably crunch on that drop off your front. No, that's good.
Just, you know, best thing about it, you can start doing this.
It just gets you a lot of good shots.
A little bit, just a hair. Stop,
too much.
That's too much.
Too much.
Yep,
Back out.
Bye.
Almost.
So what do they get if they actually successfully can do this?
I have no idea. They get a
Bragging rights. Oh, I'm sure with the crowd that'll be over there.
Oh yeah.
Definitely. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh, too much.
Yeah.
Back out.
Take it easy.
There it is. There it is.
Welcome to Jeeptoberfest!
Here's your card. Enseño que estás haciendo todo esto. So far, so good.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's why we need every different kind of Jeep.
Yeah.
is so we can.
Figure out what's what. Yeah.
This one's almost stock. It's only got two. It's more the tire height. 35. Yeah.
Pull. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Randall knows how to use a backhoe. He's coming. Yeah. There you go. Woo!
Come straight back. Straight back. Yeah, just come straight towards me. You're all right. Okay. Now just keep going a little bit towards me. Just roll it back.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
We are here with Trish.
Yep.
And what is your official title?
I am the Ocala Jeep Club Charity Director. I've been doing this since 2019. This is my 5th year into the group, and I'm super excited about this year. If you have not gone online to sign up for Jeeptoberfest, get your spot now, and if for say something comes up and you can't make it, at least you know that you have given to one of our wonderful charities. We have 4 main charities that we support this year. Veterans Helping Veterans, which is a group that helps a wide range of veteran groups as ancillary help. They help a lot of different veterans group in our community, filling out their paperwork, with getting assistance if they need assistance with food, with clothing, with medical equipment that they may need. Yeah, so Wanda Cares in Citra, she has a dog rescue. She helps take in dogs that are at the kill facilities and saves them, and she is one of our main charities. The next one is Kimberly Center for Child Protective Services for the Marion County area. They help house anything related to child abuse in all arrays, and everything is available in one facility, so the kids don't have to go to 6 or 7 different places. As well as Brian's All Stars. Brian All Stars is for adult children. It gives them the opportunity to get out and get exercise. Once they age out from the ARC program, there's no activities for them, so he offers basketball, kickball, and bowling, and we help support that. So if you haven't gone out and got your ticket for Jeeptoberfest, go ahead and do it. And if you don't end up coming, just take solace in knowing that you were able to help a charity in this community, because that's what this is about.
Got a little bit of mud on your slider there.
A little bit, yeah. I got a little bit of paint missing too. I left out on the trail.
Ah, I see something right through here. So
Yeah,
at least you didn't lose a
mostly
bumper.
on the skidders. Yeah, because it's kind of like driving a school bus through the woods.
But it looks cool.
It does, and it feels cool too.
Imagine if when you were a kid, this was your school bus and they picked you up in this every day.
I'd never miss a day.
All right.
That's when you start walking on it.
So far, so good.
You're good now.
Well, I'm good right now, but
Tell me, what can they expect this year that wasn't here last year?
I've brought in probably 20,000 loads of dirt, so I have huge amount of non-concrete areas with, you know, off camber, put heel back there, a couple of them.
Yeah, we were back there playing on that.
Yeah, so
pipe force there.
you got pipe force, yep, and the
logs.
kind of the log bridge there. I've added a pyramid, like we had at the market, just not as tall. A Gladiator on 35s with no lift can actually do that.
With lockers.
With lockers. Yeah, we double lock it.
lockers.
You don't, there's a lot out here you don't do without double locking.
What was this last year?
It's just a rock pile.
Just a rock pile?
Yeah,
so
I haven't even cleaned it up for this year yet.
I don't remember that other section.
That's
over
a
here.
new rock pile.
A new rock pile. So now you got
It's
this
all concrete.
same way, different
Just a different
ways
feel.
so you can pick your line.
Yeah, it's got a lot of flat. It's never been ran. It's,
So is this still the entrance pit right here?
yeah. Yep, I just redug it. I've covered it up the first of the year and then redug it after I added these 2 obstacles over here, my platform, a wooden platform, and my really long culvert.
So if somebody's going to drive through this, what are some key things to do?
Pick a line and watch your spotter.
So there'll be a spotter at all the obstacles?
Almost every obstacle will have a spotter. Some of them you don't really need a spotter, but there'll be a spotter for here. The culvert's behind you. They can also do this one here in case you need a spotter.
So stock Jeep, how many trails are for stock Jeeps?
They have 2.
Two stock
And
trails?
I have a mud entrance that a stock Jeep can do.
The stock, and
Actually, all my entrances for this moderate course are stock friendly.
The entrances.
Until you get to the actual start of the course. At that point, if you got a stock Jeep, you go to the mud hole entrance, which is,
around the
you know,
corner.
it's stock friendly.
So if you have a slightly modified, like say you're running 33-inch tires, they're mud tires, but you have no lockers, are you going to be able to ride on this at all?
If you come back on Sunday and you tell me that you don't have that stuff, if it's slow, I'll let people do it.
Okay, if it's slow.
Saturday is just way too busy.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Sunday it's a lot more laid back and a lot more relaxed. So if you want to, you know, wait an hour after we open and then you want to come out and try some of this, I don't have an issue with it.
All right.
I would prefer you to have at least one locker.
Yeah, that would be good.
But
so the consequences of coming out here thinking you can do it and then getting stuck on everything and hung up on everything, what does that do to the rest of the people?
it slows them down. So if you come out and you get stuck on 2 or 3 obstacles, I'll probably just ask you to take one of the bypasses and go on out. But I will let you try it on Sunday.
Sundays?
Yeah.
All right. If it's not
super busy.
For my off-road photos.
My off-road photos, absolutely. We're gonna be out here getting your epic moments as you guys go over some really gnarly obstacles. We come out every year. We're grateful to be out here to take pictures, but look for us on the mud pit, on the obstacle course, which you see around us. And then we're also gonna be at the main banner. So you'll get a picture of the main banner and your Jeep as you go over it.
Cherokee to Cherokee. Or Cherokee.
So vamos a hacerlo en español. Vengan afuera, todos los que quieran traer su Jeep, regístrense, vayan al link, entren a la página, regístrense y vengan a pasarla. Los trails están a otro nivel.
Este año está brutal. Oh.
Síguelo. Oh.
And if you remember a Cherokee that flopped a couple of years ago out at Kirby's farm, that's him.
Thanks for watching. We hope to see you at Jeeptoberfest in just a couple of weeks. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to these videos. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. We'll be keeping an eye on them for you. If you still haven't signed up, you got about 1 week left before the pre-registration closes. Use that QR code right down here so you can sign up, and you can always register in person when you get here.
Well, that's a wrap. Next up for us is the Jeeptoberfest event. We'll see you out here. Flag us down, say hi. We'll be out on the obstacle courses and the trails recording.
Make a personal invitation to have to come on out after Santos quits making all the racket. Invite people out to Jeeptoberfest and tell them they better get registered. Don't be a slacker and not register yet.
You need to get your Jeep registered. Come out definitely this week of Jeeptoberfest. You're gonna have a lot of fun.
You know, I picked the Spanish guy so he could say it in Spanish.
There you go.
He lit right up.
All right.
So what do you think?
Well, look.
It's not done yet.
We were with Randall, and he calls this
modified.
He calls this Randall's
wrecking yard. Randall's wrecking yard. Randall's wrecking yard.
Say what?
Randall's wrecking yard. Oh, welcome to Randall's wrecking yard.
If you haven't decided.
If you still haven't, I'll do that.
Janet, he's doing that.
It's a president thing.
It's a president of a Jeep Club thing.